It's at the lights, and it's a very short lane. You don't want to get trapped in that lane, so you make this left lane change a little sooner.
Right.
It's very easy here to end up at 70 kilometers an hour. Some people here, they just zoom right. But this sign here, that's you. You're going to be the slowest car on the road.
Got it.
At 50.
Do I need to switch lanes? Or?
No, because we're going to be turning left. So right lane's for right turns. This lane is for your left turn. So you're okay here. I guess they'll repaint the line someday.
Hopefully, yeah. Like within the next month.
Yeah.
Dare to dream.
So right around here, you can put your left signal on and scan far left. This guy may be coming through. And he is okay. This guy too. There we go.
Alright, but after that guy, I'm good.
Yeah. Around that way. No.
Oh, sorry, yes.
Around that way.
Hold on, yes.
There we go. Into the left lane. And then you pick up your speed to 80 here, and at the same time you prepare for the right lane change.
Alright.
Looking at your mirrors, checking your blind spot.
Well, I'm not gonna go when that car's there.
Agreed. Good choice. We'll let this guy go past you. So you just look way down the road, let him pass you. Probably sit in your blind spot for a minute or two, second or two. There we go. Okay. And then it doesn't take long to establish a 6-second following distance if the car in front of you is going faster.
Right.
If they're going a little under the speed limit, you still want to manage that space, that 6-second following distance, even if it means going under the speed limit. Managing your space is priority, basically.
Okay.
There, you're at 80, no problem. Still have a 6-second following distance.
6 seconds.
So now, they're going to ask you to make a lane change at any given point along this highway. And when you do the lane change, just kind of count 4 seconds as you're transitioning from one lane to the other. So let's go ahead and do a left lane change. Signal mirror, and just keep it nice and easy. I'm going to count 1,000, 1,001, 1,002, 1,003.